Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got back from Costco. I got quite a few things. I didn't feel like I bought that much, but I still ended up spending $200. Peyton, you're moving my... He's rubbing up on the little stand. You're moving it. Hello, my pretty baby. So Costco had Christmas stuff out already, which I know it's not even Halloween, but it does kind of make me excited. They had a bunch of Christmas stuff. They had a bunch of toys out for Christmas. They had They had Halloween costumes. They had some really, really cute stuff. All right, you guys want to see what I got? Got this cute little runner. They had this, of course, sitting like right when you walk in. They had like probably 4 different kinds, but I wanted to put this. So right here, this rug right here is shot. I need to throw that in the garbage as soon as I get done with this video, but I think that's where I'm gonna put this one. I thought it was super cute. I almost got 2 of them because we've got the one right there, but I don't know. That one's still in really good shape, so I just got the one. And then these were also at the front, the little kitchen towels that comes with 10 of them. I am obsessed with this color right now. It's so pretty. And these are kind of like farmhouse style-ish. It says ice cream and butter. I thought those would be really, really cute for our kitchen. And the last towels I had were actually from Costco, and I get so many compliments on them. I love them. And then, of course, we had to get some milk. This is like the best price for milk. I think you get 2 of them for like $3 something, so I feel like that's a really good deal. And then I found these little mini tacos. They don't normally have chicken tacos, and so I was super excited when I saw these. The hubby's gonna love those too. And then of course we got some Go-Gurts for the kiddos and our salsa. These are a few of our staple items that we always get. Salsa, pirate booty. This is the best price for the pirate booty, you guys. If you get a big bag at the grocery store, it's like $6, but it's not even this big. So this is the best price for this. And then I saw these fish sticks. These were actually on sale for maybe like $8, I think. And so I thought those would be fun to give a try. I'm not sure if my girls are gonna like them, but the hubby and I can eat them if they don't. And then the pot stickers, we love this brand. Those are so yummy just to eat. And then you guys, I'm sure if you've seen my hauls, you see me buy this bread all the time. This bread is so good. It's like the only thing that my kids will eat. Like they'll eat the crust and everything. So this is such a good deal for these. Normally at the store, regular store, it's like $2.99 a loaf, but at Costco it is $3.99 for 2. So I got 2 of those. And then I picked up some bananas and string cheese. This is such a good deal for the string cheese. It's like $10. Oh my gosh. Dude, what are you doing up here? Okay, anywho. And then I picked up these little Santa Fe chicken salads. I love these. They come in a couple different kinds. They've got like a BLT, they've got a Caesar, and then this is one of my favorites. Just comes with 2 of them right there. And then I did pick up some children's Motrin. It is cold season and my girls, I know, we're gonna be needing this. And then I did pick up some eggs and Pop-Tarts. These are more so for the husband. He loves Pop-Tarts. And then I got these Eggo waffles. My girls love waffles in the morning. I normally get them like the blueberry ones, but we'll see if they even notice the difference. Last but not least, we got some diapers and wipes. The Huggies are $8.50 off right now, and the wipes were not on sale, but the Huggy brand is, you get more for your money compared to the Kirkland brand. And I just like the Huggy brand better. I don't know, the Kirkland brand are kind of thin, so I don't know. I just like these better. And there's the kitty again. What are you doing? Peyton, what are you doing? Should we see how the rug looks? I'm gonna open it. Yeah, these runners, they were $10, I think. I feel like that's a really good deal for rugs. Ooh, I love it. That looks so pretty there. I really like it. Such a cute pattern. Yay! I feel like the colors match so much better. All right, let's open the towels too. I love this blue color. Look how cute these are. Those are adorable. Oh my goodness. Which one should I put out? Look at this blue. Love that. Might as well put this one out. Alright guys, that does it for today's Costco haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have a Costco near you, you need to head out there. They've got some really cute stuff. I mean, they always have cute stuff, but alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see y'all next time. Bye!